How to turn off comments on a Facebook post. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, open a Facebook application in a mobile device and just like that, log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on this profile icon and now scroll through your profile and find the post where you would like to turn off the comment. After that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this letter icon, and inside here you will be able to find an option that says who can comment on this post. Tap onto it and now you'll see options like public, friends, profile and pages you mentioned. To effectively turn off, you want to go ahead and simply tap on profile and pages you mentioned, and just like that, simply tap on done. This means only people you tag in the post can comment. If you don't tag anyone, no one will be able to comment. But to make sure you have this option right over here, you need to simply set your post to public. Simply tap on edit privacy and then set your post to public. If it's set to friends or only me, you will not have that option anymore. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.